Hi everybody, Geraldine Rose here. Today we've got two cards from Clearing Off the Hard Drive. These are interactive pop-up cards and I think they would lend themselves very well to sending out some spring sunshine. We'll give you a peek. For those that don't know, I've been accepted into the altenew educator program, so I'm part of that group. I'm also part of the altenew fan group on Facebook, which anybody can join. Now on that Facebook fan page, the people that are in their final stages of getting their educator certification, they'll post workshops that anybody can attend, so you can go in and get them yourself. This one was done by Liz. I'm going to link her and tag her over in the description so that you guys can go and see what she has done. I didn't feel it was my right to record this workshop because, in a sense, it's her intellectual property, right? Anyways, I'm going to tag her. She's already got a full tutorial up. You guys can go check her out. Basically, what we did the first was we had one that was a spring envelope that the flowers came out of the top. And the second one, because I didn't have the instructions before the workshop, I went rogue and did it my own way and I put a box spring in the middle. I do have another video doing the way Liz did it and I will link that one up at the top here so you can go check that out. Anyways, they were rather fun. I especially like the way we did the second card. Mostly because it was more fun to play with and at the same time it still had that more traditional aspect of I want to send something pretty out. I think we've seen that with my cards that I want to have good energy in them and lovely color so that the person getting them can feel that and have just a little bright spot in their day. Like this one says, sending sunshine. Well, alrighty then. That seems like the perfect few to end with my typical, you all go be that change you want to see in the world. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Hun, did you know we hit 200 subscribers?
That's something new.
Do you think we can hit 250 by my birthday?
Was probably going to hit 100 at least when it's all said and done.
Oh, wouldn't that be nice?
Wow, you're on a roll. You were on a roll, babe.